So we're going to start with the white. The white is 5 plus 4, which is going to be 9. 4 plus 4, which is going to be 8. That's 6. That's 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4, 7, 4 is 11. This is 6. This is 3, 4, 7, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. Wait, what? 14, oops. Sorry, I miscalculated that. Be careful when you're calculating, of course. Don't be stupid like me. That's 12. Now, of course, again, I want you to focus just on what's in the orange, but I'm doing the rest to show you, and then, like, you can do them with any cell. So now we've got that number. That number should take you approximately 5 seconds to, literally under 5 seconds to count 9 and 8 on just these two cells. Obviously I'm taking longer because I'm doing everything. Anyway, the black ones, you can do 3 and 6, do 9. 4 and 4, 8. That literally took 2 seconds. Literally 2 seconds. 4 there, 6 there, 11 there, that's 7. This is 3, this is 5, this is 7. I am adding these up. I'm not just eyeballing these. Okay. Now you see something going on there. Within your orange, you see that there's 2 sets. The black in set A, the black and the white have the same number of lines. So now we're going to write down in our brain B edge of edges equal white edges. Now we're going to delete that. By the way, this is only for shapes. Right, now we have something, we have a rule which is being corroborated by another cell. You're going to stop there. We found a pattern. We're going to, the reason why I'm going to stop is you don't have enough time in the message. You literally got a couple of seconds. We are now going to apply that rule to B. And the logic is, if X then Y, if color white or black, then number of edges equals Y. This is the rule that we're going for from A. Now A will have the similar rule, so you're going to go straight to these two. You're going to go to a color white. We have seen the white are 6, the black is 3. The next one, the whites are 10, the black is 5. We found out that 6 is half of 3, 10 is half of 5. You can see all these others, they follow it. In B, it's following the logic in a different way. B is now following white edges equal twice black edges. That's the rule that B is following. So now in a couple of seconds, or quite fairly fast actually, we found a rule that fits for A and a rule that fits for B. Now here is where I want you to completely stop what you're doing. You are going to roll with this rule. Black, so set A and then B. These are our rules. So let's save this so I can copy it later when I go back. So now take a picture, pause the video. This is our rule. Actually, we've done all that working out. We can delete this. And now I'm going to write the rule for set A. The rule is black edge equals white edge. And then for set B, rules are the white edge is twice the black. So remember, very strict. So using these rules, let's go to the website and let's do some almost answers. Okay, nice. They want to show the answers there. Oops, my bad. So you have question 1. So let's go over question 1. Now what you're going to do is you're going to ignore set A and set B completely. You're not going to look at them. In your head, all I want you to think about is set A, black equals white. Set B, white edges are twice that of black. That's what I want you to think about when you're doing these. So we're going to try to answer these in 5 seconds real time with the rules we have to make it fair for you. So our goal is 25 seconds. So start a timer or whatever, and obviously I'm going to be longer than you are, but I want you to pause the video now, and using those 2 rules, I want you to let me just try to make the questions. Okay, I want you to pause the video now and try your best to answer if these questions within 5 seconds. Obviously pause it whenever you want. So question 1, white 8, black 8, set A. Question 2, that was literally how long you have to take. 6 and 5, 7. 6 and 5, 7. You all know 11 and 7 doesn't match, and it's not divisible by 2. So neither. Not divisible by 2, sorry. Now we get to 3. 8 black, 4 white, neither. Remember the rule. It was white is double black, not black is double white. Next question, don't even waste time. 5 black, 5 white in A. Next question. 6 black, 12 white. 12 is half of 6. Got set B. We did that we did that actually under that took us like what, 3 seconds, that was under 25 seconds for sure. So you see how now we have the rule, which we did quickly with the tricks and tips. We didn't go in depth. We went for the more likely, what it's more likely to be. We found the rule very quickly and very fastly done these questions. Click the answers, beautiful, 100%. All of them done correctly within the time limit. So you see, oops. And then there you go, they follow the same rule that we talked about. So that video was just a very fast, really concentrated, high yield, what you really need to know, UKCAT for abstract. Now that I've done this video and then you've watched this video only applies really to shapes, but it can apply to other questions using the same logic. Now we've gone through one question type. The other videos I make, I will be going over other question types as well that are like numbers or lines or like accruing patterns, which are like the other cell contains information from the previous cell that you need to know. I will make one video on every single of those examples, and I want you to take the rules that I made for shapes and apply it as much as you can to shape questions, to other questions, and I'll give you like other examples as well. So that's it for just the shape sections. Try some questions, find some questions online if they were shapes, try them yourself. That's the explanation for this one.